Okay guys, EDC update for you. Haven't made one in forever. Haven't made a video in forever. Start off with an EDC update. I'm carrying this cheap 4A on point ballpoint pen. Pretty nice. To accompany that, carrying notepad, another little pen. Stuff down, grocery list, whatnot. Comes in handy. So I have that. Sometimes I'll carry a Sharpie. In my drawer here, I have a big bag full of Sharpies and whatnot. Sometimes I'll just pick out a Sharpie, carry that. Ugh. So there's that. Wallet. Tommy Hilfiger wallet, just a little credit card wallet, pretty sparse actually. Load up some cash in the summer. Genuine leather, of course, has to say genuine leather, but whatever. Small, compact, not too thin, but whatever. Knife, same old Endura. I was experimenting with the steel and got like a little wave going on there. Grind marks all over the blade. But I really sharpened this thing. Let me get a piece of paper out of my notepad and show you. That knife is, of course, what the hell? Yeah. Not the best at these, but it is pretty sharp knife, you know. Shaves hair. There's some hair there. I don't know if you can see it. Try again. Can you see that? Probably not. There is hair on there. So, yeah. Just reground it, you know. Did my little knife thing. Throw away all this paper that I just cut up and failed miserably at it. But whatever. So, motherfucker. There is the Endura. Cell phone. Droid X2. There's that. That's like my lifeline right there. I like this phone a lot. You know, got like a little kickstand on the case. Face it that way and that way. Swivel, clip. G-Shock. This is the G8900A. And pretty much my EDC. Not much. Sometimes also carry around a Zippo. It's American flag version. I have a pretty bad cough now, so carrying around some Ricola. That's not really part of my daily EDC normally. So yeah, I'll have a pair of headphones too, but they're on downstairs now, so I'm like forgetting stuff at the last minute, of course, but yeah. So that's my EDC, guys. Take care.